You are presently looking at Lesson 16, Count Functions. This can be used in either Google Sheets and or Microsoft Spreadsheets. You will discover that we have placed several equation formulas that you may use in the near or far future. We have also provided you with answers to accommodate each equation, making sure you fully comprehend what is being written. Just type in the equation that is listed for each section, and then, if you have an error message, it may be that you have written the equation incorrectly. This again is a spreadsheet you will find necessary to save in your redundant Google account. Considering the future, you will be thankful that you have saved all of these lessons. Make certain you have created a folder to facilitate this storage. Place your name at the top along with Lesson 16. You may or may not use the absolute function for each equation. It all depends on how you do a fill down, or how if you want to save time. The figure below illustrates what needs to be done. It may be easier if you look at this as you type out the equations. And you'll notice by scrolling down here, we have placed everything there for you. So often it's easier to look at it. And over here to the right, we have also provided the answers along with the equations, so you understand exactly what we're talking about. Let's take a second and slide over to a spreadsheet very briefly and see how this works. You will notice that we have several categories here, and as we scroll down through the spreadsheet, we are able to cover quite a few of them. Now, we've already provided some answers because I went through this and I would like for you to completely comprehend everything that you see. You'll notice in this section we have student ID, their sex, male or female, age, and GPA. Now, over here we want to determine the students by age. You'll notice it says here 2, 3, 4, 1, and the total sum is 10. Look over here to the far right. Here are the answers, 2, 3, 4, 1, and the total sum is 10. We want you to fully grasp and understand how this works. Do not, I repeat, do not just type in the number 2, 3, 4, 1, and 10. That's not what we're here for. However, I'm going to click inside here, and you'll notice here's our equation. We provided it for you right here, so you have no problems at all. It says equal sign, count, if, left parenthesis. Now you'll notice I have D absolute 6. You could put absolute D, absolute 6 if you like, colon, D absolute 15, comma 13. So it's only looking for those people in D6 to D15 who are 13. Okay, here's row 6, column D, down here. So it counts. How many people are 13? Well, we have 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Now, you'll notice over here, let me drop down this one, how many people are 15? And here's the equation. We've changed that last digit to 15, and it says there's 4. Let's verify. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 people. So you can see this is not a very difficult equation. However, it's very instrumental in helping you or providing you some information that you may need in the future. Now, this one's a little bit harder. It says the number of students by GPA. You'll notice it says 3.5 minus 3.0. There's 3 people. Well, who's between 3.5 and 4.0? And we have, here's the equation. It says equal sign, count if, left parenthesis, absolute E, absolute 6, colon, absolute E, absolute 15, comma, you have a quotation mark, greater than or equal to 3.5. And you have a quotation mark and a right parenthesis. So it's looking for those people who are equal to or greater than 3.5. Okay, and it says we have 3 of them. Let's look and see how many we have. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3. So it is correct, and that's good. Now the next one down, you'll notice it's a little bit harder. We're looking for somebody who's between 3.0 and 3.5, and there's two people. And again, we've provided you with the equation. Just simply type it in. And of course you have the sum for both of these. Okay, now the students by gender. Oh, this is an easy one. Okay, and this one, between C6 and C15, you're looking for males, and it says there's 6 of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Okay, and here's the equation to show you how to do that. Scrolling down a little bit further, for statistics, we have listed what you need to type in there. For example, here's average. Okay, 2.67. How do you get that? Well, watch up here. Equal sign. Remember, all equations start with an equal sign. Average. Left parenthesis. Between absolute E, absolute 6, colon, absolute E, absolute 15. Figure out the average between all those people up there. Okay? So, when you're going to figure out the average here, in column E, it's that simple. Right? You have the median, the max, the minimum, the mode, and the count. So, all you have to do is change the first part. So for example, let's click on max because I want you to definitely understand. Equal sign, max, same equation. And because we did absolute, you just simply did a fill down and just change that first statistical calculation. And we say there's 3.75 is the max. Let's see, is that right? 3.75 is the max. And we've provided you with the answer. Okay, now to help you out with equal sign left, right, and middle, and also counting the length. Now, equal sign left B1, or B18, sorry. So here is column B, and there's 18 words. We count from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Micro. Okay, and counting from the right, 4 over, right, in B18. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Soft. And then from the middle, we come over 5 and count 3. 1, 2, 3. And the length is 9. Now I did that with my name, right? Same basic idea. We want you to place your name here and do the equations. Okay? That should help you out. And we tell you exactly how to do it here. Now, make sure you save this, okay? And show me I don't want you to print this out. If we can later on, that's great. But save this, and it'll be definitely helpful for you in the future. Okay, thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.